Imagine a beautiful wooden house. It looks perfect from the street, but inside the walls, millions of termites are eating the wood. One day, the whole house collapses. There was no warning, no creaking, just sudden, total destruction. This is exactly what is happening to your skeleton. Osteoporosis is called the silent thief because it steals your bone density without a single symptom. You don't feel pain, you feel fine until you step off a curb, snap your hip, and never walk independently again. Today, I will show you the internal termites eating your bones and the 3-step renovation plan to stop them before the house falls down. To understand why your bones break, you need to meet the two crews working inside you, the builders and the demolition team. Your skeleton is not a rock. It is a living construction site. The demolition crew dissolves old bone, and the builders lay down new bone. Until age 30, the builders are faster. But after 50, the demolition team goes crazy and starts destroying the foundation. They remove bricks faster than the builders can replace them. The structure looks solid on the outside, but inside it becomes a hollow honeycomb. This is why you lose height. It's not just posture. Your spine is literally collapsing on itself because the internal pillars are gone. So how do we fire the demolition team? Most people think the answer is drink milk. That is mistake number 1. Imagine a construction site where trucks dump thousands of bricks, but there are no workers. The bricks just pile up and block the driveway. This is exactly what happens when you take calcium supplements. The calcium doesn't go into your bones, it piles up in your arteries. To fix this, you need the traffic controller, K2. It grabs the calcium from your blood and directs it to the skeleton. Without K2 and vitamin D, you aren't building bone, you are calcifying your heart valves. You are turning your soft tissue into stone. But even with calcium in the right place, your bones will shatter if you miss the rebar. This is mistake number 2. Bone is not just chalk. If it was pure calcium, it would be brittle. Bone is 50% protein, a matrix of collagen. Think of a sidewalk. The concrete is the calcium for hardness. The steel rebar inside is the collagen for flexibility. Without the steel rebar, the concrete cracks under the slightest pressure. You need both to prevent the snap. Many seniors eat tea and toast diets. They're starving their bones of protein, so the body steals it from the muscle. You need eggs, yogurt, and meat. This builds the flexible steel that holds the minerals together. Now that we have the raw materials, we need to send the signal to build. This is where my advice on walking might surprise you. In my last video, I told you to stop walking 10,000 steps. But for bones, gentle walking is actually too safe. Bones obey Wolff's law. They only get stronger if they feel a shock. They need to feel danger to build a thicker wall. Gentle walking doesn't create enough shock. You need osteogenic loading, and you can do this in your kitchen without jumping. It is called the heel drop. Stand tall, rise up on your toes, and drop your heels down firmly. Thud. That thud sends a vibration up your skeleton that screams to the builders, "We need reinforcements." Do 20 heel drops a day. It takes 1 minute. It triggers bone density better than a 3-mile gentle walk. But please do not guess. You cannot feel your bone density. There's only one way to know the truth. Ask your doctor for a DEXA scan. It's a painless X-ray that gives you a T-score based on your density. If your score is below -2.5, you're in the danger zone. You have osteoporosis and need you act immediately. Don't wait for the fracture. Fill the honeycomb. Eat your protein, take K2, and thump those heels. If you want to know which specific foods steal calcium from your bones, watch this video next. You might be eating them for breakfast right now. Click here.